Brown-Séquard syndrome happens when one half of the spinal cord is damaged, and that creates a very distinctive pattern of neurologic loss that flips depending on the side and the pathway involved. At the level of the lesion itself, the deficits are on the same side as the cord injury, because those local sensory and motor structures are damaged right where the hemisection occurs. So at that segment, you can see ipsilateral loss of all sensation and ipsilateral lower motor neuron findings like flaccid paralysis, because the anterior horn cells or exting roots are affected at the lesion. Below the lesion on the same side, think of two major tracts that have already crossed higher up or are still ascending uncrossed here: the corticospinal tract and the dorsal columns. That means you get ipsilateral upper motor neuron signs below the lesion, along with loss of proprioception, vibration, and fine discriminatory touch on that same side. Now switch sides. Below the lesion, pain, temperature, and crude touch are lost on the opposite side because the spinothalamic fibers cross soon after entering the cord, and then ascend contralaterally. So the high-yield rule is ipsilateral motor and dorsal column loss, but contralateral pain and temperature loss below the lesion. One last clue: if the lesion is above T1, it can also cause ipsilateral Horner syndrome by interrupting the oculosympathetic pathway. For exams, remember lesion level gives ipsilateral LMN signs. Below that, it's ipsilateral UMN plus dorsal column loss and contralateral spinothalamic loss.